The cryptocurrency bull run is well underway, and Bitcoin just 2 days ago surpassed 69,000, which was its previous all-time high, and immediately got rejected down to 59,000 and has quickly recovered. We're going to go over in this video my personal opinion, not financial advice, of what will happen to BTC as it gets closer to 69,000, and if we do see a rejection, what altcoins am I looking to accumulate? But first, I want to welcome you all back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, and I hope it's been making a lot of sense for you recently. But first, I want to encourage everyone to pause the video and subscribe like the other 719 wonderful people have done over the last 28 days, and hit that bell notification to be notified anytime we release daily content on this channel. But let's get back into BTC. So I do not normally cover Bitcoin or day-to-day market trends because I am a long-term investor who invests in the technology that I believe in, and I'm not worried about a cent or two here and there. But let's see, as Bitcoin hit its all-time high and went over 69,000 a bit, it was rejected down, and the lowest wick was 59,000. Okay, that is about a 15% or so correction, and it quickly came back up to 67,000, which would turn that into like a 4% correction. But now we're slowly approaching 69,000. So what do I think is going to happen in the short term? Well, first let's look at some other altcoins that could be potential buys, and I'll let you know if my personal opinion, not financial advice, is that it will get rejected. So if you look currently, we have a total market cap of 2.56 trillion for cryptocurrency in general, with a fear and greed index of 89. When we were rejected at 69,000, the fear and greed index was 90. Okay, so what do I think? I expect us to hit 69,000 and get rejected again. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a bear, okay? I think this is a normal, healthy pullback in a pre-bull market that will have consolidation until the Bitcoin halving, and from there blast off and reach new all-time highs, blowing through the 69K level. But I could see us consolidating around 60,000 for a while, and that would cause altcoins to also pull back. So it will be some great buying opportunities for me, and I will let you know what I'll be looking for. My top 3 sectors and my number 1 play, Render. Okay, I will be looking at Render, and I have a video 2 days ago, the day of that crash, the 15% correction, of saying now I believe it was a good time to buy Render. We had a wick come down to under $6, and it has now recovered and went as high as $10.75. Okay, I was able to get in around this time frame, not at the lowest, but that is why this time I'm setting buy orders around the $6 mark, the $5.75 mark, hoping I catch the bottom of that wick if this happens. If it doesn't happen and we blow through 69,000 and hit 82,000, I will be completely happy with that also, as I already have my main bags packed. But so Render is my number 1 AI play. What do I think is the best tech in the industry? And that is internet computer. So internet computer was doing really strong coming up to the Bitcoin hitting 69,000 and crashing down. You can see that they had actually been trading around $15, $16, which was a big jump from $13. And then the Bitcoin sell-off happened, and there was a wick low of $12 for internet computer, and it has slowly came back up and hit over $15 and is now a little bit shy of $14. So I have a lot of internet computer, but if we do see a sell-off and a potential 20% sell off and get this back down to $12, $10 to $12, I will definitely be picking up more internet computer. I unfortunately was not able to catch this low wick, and I did not make another entry at this moment. But so that is what I believe is the best tech overall, as it can do absolutely anything the internet can do. But what do I think the best layer one is? And that is Kaspa. I believe this is the best layer one in all of, well, Bitcoin's number one, don't get me wrong, but it's not necessarily because of their speed or anything like that. It is digital gold. I believe Kaspa has the best utility for worldwide payments, or not worldwide, but merchant payments, peer-to-peer transactions. It's extremely fast. But not just this coming up potential crash, but Kaspa's been consolidating around the 16-17 cent mark for a while, and so it is primed to have another leg up, I believe. But it had wicks of somewhere around 14 cents. I did not acquire any more at this time. I actually purchased some the day before at 15 cents. So I was a day early, but that is completely fine, as I believe in the project. I do not buy off of a cent here, a cent there. I buy off of long-term projections and my belief in it. But I do believe this would be a good one for me to accumulate if we did see a correction. And if this ever, I don't think it will, but if it ever hit 10 cents again, I would be packing the bags, and I'd be bringing a Louis Vuitton suitcase to do so. But I don't think that'll happen. But these are just the three main altcoins that I would be looking out for if Bitcoin does get rejected again at 69,000. This is my personal opinion, not financial advice. If it blows through that 69,000 and hits 89,000, 100,000 before the Bitcoin halving, I'll be perfectly happy, like I said. But everyone, thank you for joining Freeman Finance and Crypto. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, join the other 720 people that have subscribed within the last 28 days and hit that bell notification to join the Freeman and Finance Crypto family. Have a good day.